Hello and welcome to another one of Sporty's product videos. My name is Doug and today we're going to look at the Flight Gear iPad bag. This bag was built around using an iPad in the cockpit. This bag has the most organization out of all our Flight Gear bags. And we'll start over here on the outside. We have a fuel tester or flashlight pocket right here and then a custom designed transceiver pocket. This radio pocket has a flap that has an hourglass shape to it, so you can leave the antenna sticking out the top. If you want to stow the antenna though, inside this pocket there is a custom antenna sleeve that the antenna can fit into. In front of that we also have a pen pocket. On top you'll notice we have a couple loops here. Those loops are for carabiner clips, so you can clip on umbrellas or water bottles or extra items to the bag. This bag includes a shoulder strap. The front of the bag has a organizer pocket. This flips down and you have pen, pencil holders, a zipper pocket, a key ring, and this up here is the embroidery window. Sporty's embroidery department can put your name on your bag, silhouette of your aircraft, even a logo up here on front. That service costs an additional $9.95. On this side of the bag you still have a flashlight or fuel tester pocket in the back, a pen holder on the side, and then a water bottle pocket. I find this fits an ADS-B receiver really well. On the back of the bag we have two chart pockets, and then this pocket is a padded iPad pocket. And one of the neat things about this pocket is there's this through hole, so I can take a charging cable from the inside, plug it into a battery brick, and then charge my iPad that's in the outside pocket. Let's look at that big pocket there on the inside. So you can see I have a charging brick over here on the side. I can just find the end of that cable and shove it through that through hole and then plug in my iPad. This is the pocket where you store your headset. It has what's called the headset hanger. So this is a Zulu 3 headset and we've clipped it to the top. What this allows you to do is to keep your headset from banging around the bottom of your bag with your other gear. The rear wall is made of this soft velvet material. We call it gear mods. So these optional gear mods we've made in different sizes. We have a small accessory gear mod, which is this, a larger one. We've done a radio pocket, sunglass pocket, pen pencil holder, and this allows you really to customize your flight bag and make it your own. In addition to having this gear mod material inside the bag, we also put it on our knee boards. So you can take your gear mod from your bag into your knee board. On the side walls of this main pocket, we've added AA battery holders. So you have two up there and two on this side too. It's always on ILS to minimums when your ANR headset just runs out of batteries. And finding them in the dark can be a problem. So we could put those holders up top there to make them really quick and easy access. There is two mesh pockets on the side of the bag. This one has a battery holder in it right now, a backup battery brick. And then the front flap here has two zippered mesh pockets, which is perfect for storing extra charging cables or extra cigarette lighter adapters. It has that thick padded carrying handle, and as mentioned, it does include a shoulder strap as well.